Hello guys, so in this episode we'll be playing the full scale. In the last episode we played half of the scale, so we played take note, it's not compulsory to use both hands when you're practicing. You can use just one hand. I'm using this opportunity to exercise my left hand, right? But in this episode, we'll complete the scale, we'll play the full scale. And just on a side note, the full C major scale is called the Lorentz scale. If you've learned modes of music has different modes. The Lorentz scale, but when you start from D, that's called the Dorian scale. So this is Lorentz. Dorian. Sorry. And that will be our exercise today. Those names are just musical jargons. Forget about them. You don't need them for now. I just had to mention them. So we'll be completing our scale. We played them halfway the previous time. So now I assume you've done that for a week before moving to this episode. So I am assuming you've done episode 8 for at least every day for a week. If you've done that, you can start this episode 9. So episode 9, you hum it. That's one. You do that 5 times every morning and 5 times every evening. Or you can just do 10 at a go. And there are 2 exercises. The second one is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. You call their musical names. Re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re. You can also add this to it if you have the time. La 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 la. You can add any vowel if you want to. So that's your episode 9, also exercise 9. See you in episode 10.